ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। उतामृतत्वशेषानो जगन्येनातिरोहति तावास्य। जय हो। ओम मंगल भगवान विष्णु मंगल
Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has given very clear directions to all the people connected to the defense that we need to make all the systems in the country here. We need to become Atmanirbhar. A country will become prosperous only with the technology. The technology comes out of the research, what happens in the academic institutes. Academic institutes are the primary and the fundamental elements for any technological growth in any nation. So, being the research and development organization in the defense, DRDO, has been working with many academic institutes in the country. Now, in Jammu, with the Central University, we have established a center called Kalam Center for Science and Technology to work on specific core technologies where the Central University has the strength. This Central University here, with this Kalam Center for Science and Technology as the nodal center, will be working with the various academic institutes in this part of the country. The IIT Jammu, where we are able to see our beloved director of IIT Jammu is also here. From this center, lots of projects will be given to these academic institutes, and then the specific areas where the strengths lie in that particular institute will be working. So we have come here firstly to lay the foundation stone for the Kalam Center for Science and Technology, which is being built here. And also we have the governing council where myself and the Honorable Vice Chancellor are the chair and co-chair. We review the projects, what are all going on here and how to take it forward, what are the new projects to be taken up. So that is the mission here. I have come here along with my many people. There are 2 Director Generals and 4 more directors. A big team has come here to be sitting here with the Jammu University faculty, professors, discuss with them, and also with the IIT Jammu. And after this, actually we will be going to IIT Jammu also to interact with the faculty and professors there and see the infrastructure what has come up there and what we can take forward with the Jammu, IIT Jammu also. So that is the main focus why we have come here. So we are looking for development of future technologies. The direction from the government is very clear that we should come out with first of its kind technologies from this country. Has all the necessary elements which are required to counter the drones, whether it is detection, tracking, and also even surveillance, and then even a process called soft kill or hard kill. All the things have been provided and the technology has been transferred to multiple industries, and they have taken the orders from various forces in the country, security forces and armed forces, and they are producing them and will be delivering to all the people to tackle any rogue drones which are going to come to our nation. See, I only will say that the capability of the anti-drone system has been demonstrated multiple times, and for the public to know that it has been deployed during the Independence Day and during the Republic Day also. The technologies have been developed to track such things also.
Sir, and what about the swarm drones? Anything, because it's like only we have to be defensive, or can we be in the offensive mode also using those swarm drones to target other countries, the way it has been done in Azerbaijan and other warfare?
I say that the technologies are coming out. A lot of technologies in the drones and swarm drones are available in the country. Lots of youngsters and startups also have come up in the drone area who are doing a lot in these technologies, and we are all as a nation doing a very good job in the drones, whether it's a single drone or swarm drones.
We are talking about.
See,
Or we late.
one thing like to say that as the technologies are emerging today, the war scenario is, the war game is changing day by day. Unless we are very alert and we are also getting our technologies up to date with these things coming up, any country also cannot stand. So these asymmetric warfare technologies which are coming out, we are all working in the country, multiple agencies, DRDO, industry are working out on all these technologies, and that's how the nation will be prepared. I'm a basically technology provider and we work on technologies, and I will talk about only technologies, not about operations.
So do you think drone is the future threat to the Indian security, especially state like Jammu and Kashmir?
See, that is one of the threat actually which is
The
emerging as
emerging
an emerging threat, and which we are seeing it, and so lots of technologies are being developed. That's how the anti-drone technology has been developed in the country.
Kalam Center for Science and Technology will work on it.
In a way, yes. In a way, yes, because there are many technologies which are being worked, which also can get into this application. I'm not very sure the way what you said, the numbers are that way, but then I think government is very seriously looking into and ensuring that the faculty is being present. But I don't have the numbers very specific to that. Probably Honorable Vice Chancellor or the other people will be able to comment on that.
के लिए केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय जम्मू के लिए एक हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट है कि हम ही एक सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी है 41 सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में जहाँ पे DRDO कलाम सेंटर आया है और सतीश धवन इसरो सेंटर आया हुआ है। तो इससे क्या होगा कि पिछले अगले 2-5 साल में आप देखेंगे यहाँ के बच्चे पोस्ट रिसर्च जो जैसे डॉक्टर रेड्डी कह रहे थे कोर रिसर्च और एप्लीकेशन में काम करेंगे। तो यहाँ हमारे बच्चों के लिए वो नासा तक पहुँच सकते हैं। पर ये अच्छी बात मैं आपसे ये कहूँ कि ये हमारी उपलब्धि है जो किसी भी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में नहीं है कि जहाँ आपके 2 सेंटर्स ऑफ एक्सलेंस हैं जो DRDO और इसरो है, और अब 50 बेडेड आयुष हॉस्पिटल आया हुआ है और कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशन आया है। तो इन उपलब्धियों से क्या होगा कि इस एरिया में क्षेत्र में आप देखेंगे यहाँ के बच्चों के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी जिससे उनका कैरियर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स, उनकी एजुकेशन और लाइफस्टाइल चेंज होगा। इस करके मैं आज बड़ा प्रसन्न हूँ कि पर्सनली चेयरमैन आए यहाँ पे जो शिलान्यास किया कि ये देखिए इंस्टीट्यूशंस, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और जो क्षेत्र हैं ये लंबे समय में ऊपर दे गेट देयर लाइफ एंड अपवर्ड मूवमेंट इन अ लॉन्ग टाइम पर्सपेक्टिव। तो यू नीड टू हैव अ विजन फॉर द यूनिवर्सिटी। आई थिंक वी आर ट्राइंग टू फुलफिल आवर विजन फॉर द यूनिवर्सिटी। आप देखिए 5 साल के बाद जब यहाँ आएंगे आपको यू विल फील प्राउड ऑफ सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी जम्मू, जहाँ पे ऐसे सेंटर्स जो काम करेंगे।